Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I have done a small experimental setup. Here I have connected a N20 servo motor, N20 motor to a battery here, and the battery is connected to the negative of this multimeter. And now we are going to connect this N20 motor to the red side of this inside of this motor. So we are going to calculate how much this N20 motor pulls the current out of the battery, and according to the readings it's around 15 milliamperes or 0.05. So we are just going to test. So the connection is very simple. I'm going to explain you that first. So this is the red wire of a multimeter. There is no positive negative in this, so just don't take tension. So just I'm going to explain. We are going to connect one side of this multimeter. First thing, the multimeter, the bottom is common, the top is about ampere, and the mid is for voltage. So always check that you have switched from voltage to ampere, otherwise you are not going to be able to get the ampere current. So this is the basic multimeter, which was way too cheap. I got it around $1.5, or you can say 150 rupees in India. And the problem with this that it was not able to detect the ampere at first. Then I have converted it into, so it was able to now detect the ampere. I will also show you properly in next video how I converted. So just stay tuned and subscribe for that. So let's get back to this. So the connections are way too basic. Bottom is ground, above point is ampere, then you have to set it for 10 amps. So take one wire and connect it to the battery's end, any end, no problem. And then take another end and connect to the battery motor, sorry. So when you have connected it to motor, the current is going to flow like from battery to the multimeter and multimeter to the motor. So in between we have connected multimeter, in short, like a switch. So now I'm just going to complete this circuit. You will be able to see the values which we're going to be fluctuating. So let's connect it. As you can see, the motor is spinning and the values are also fluctuating. The max is 0.07 and the normal low is 0.05. So it's fluctuating between them. Sometimes the current power is a little bit peaking up. So there may be many reasons for that. So you can see the motor is running. So this was the small experiment setup. This is the way you can check any device how much current it's pulling. You just have to add this multimeter as a switch to it. If you connected it with just like a switch, then you will be able to get the proper readings. Just do not forget to set it to 10 amps, and the bottom connections are way too important. If you also have this multimeter and you also want to convert into ampere meter so it can detect ampere, so just follow within next few days the video is going to be about that only. So thank you for subscribing, and if you don't know how we have recovered these batteries, go and watch my previous video. Until then, subscribe.